Hi, I'm Nora.
And I'm Philip.
As part of the region candidacy to become a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, we held tourism workshops to explore new sustainable opportunities. One of the key ideas was to create a hiking trail that goes through the whole region. So we connected existing hiking trails to a long-distance quality hiking trail. That's how the Minett Trail became to life. But soon we faced the challenge that there are only few overnight options on the road. So we collaborated with the Association of Architects and the municipalities to develop a concept to transform old industrial buildings to hiking accommodations or build new ones with sustainable materials. That's how the Kabaisercher came to life.
I'm the founder of SimpleView. SimpleView is the startup that has been chosen to manage all of these lodges here in the Minett region. 2022, one lodge was opened after the other, so that actually we have 11 lodges in the 11 municipalities here in the Biosphere Reserve in the Minett region. There are really amazing places that showcase the industrial heritage, but also the nature of this region. This is one of the unique ways to discover in a sustainable way this region.